Now, this isn't an April Fool joke, it's real and it's insane. So, what's going on? If you open Twitter on your desktop, you will see the iconic blue Twitter bird replaced by the Dogecoin meme. His favorite cryptocurrency. Bizarre, right? But why did Musk do it? Well, he has a very simple reason. You see, he's just following up on a promise he made to a Twitter user a while back. But here's something worth noting. This change comes just days after the Musk sought dismissal of the $258 billion lawsuit filed by Dogecoin investors. You see, Musk was sued for intentionally driving up Dogecoin's price by 36,000% in 2 years and then allowing it to crash. The investors were not happy and they dragged Musk to court. Musk's legal team argued that statements like Dogecoin rules and no highs, no lows, only Doge are nothing more than innocuous and often silly tweets. But it's quite apparent that the Tesla CEO has a big sway with the people. His actions influence how these crypto perform. Because now his latest antics have once again increased Dogecoin's price by 30%. So, here's the big question. Why isn't Elon Musk concerned about the consequences? You see, the Security and Exchange Commission, Commodity Future Trading Commission and the Treasury have rules pertaining to cryptocurrencies. Enforcing regulations has been a tricky matter. Because digital assets often break the mold of traditional classifications, thus opening up a lot of loopholes and confusion. And then there could also be the confidence boost Musk must have got when he was found not guilty when the Securities Exchange Commission took him to court for misleading investors by tweeting. Considering taking Tesla private at $420 funding secured. Until then, here are our favorite memes flooding the internet. For now, we don't know how this will all pan out. All we can do is wait for the Dogefather's next move.